and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video guys, happy October! October na! First week na ng October. And as I promised, dun sa aking last YouTube video ay gagawa po ulit ako ng available work from home or online jobs na meron for this month, specifically na opening po sa aking division. Ayan. So, all of these jobs na open po sa aking division ay non-voice. Okay, non-voice. Guys, clarify ko lang po kung ano ibig sabihin ng non-voice. Non-voice meaning wala po kayong mga calls, wala po kayong mga quota sa mga sales, ganyan, yung mga nagtatawag or nakababad sa telephone. Non-voice po ito, purely non-voice. But, of course, marami po kami mga meetings sa aking division, kaya syempre, kailangan nyo pa rin po magsalita. Okay, guys, ayan. But before anything else, again, gusto ko lang kayong invite lahat. Again, Cyberbacker Career Night. What is Cyberbacker Career Night? Cyberbacker Career Night is a free online Zoom event made especially for those people who are interested to work from home, or if you're someone na interested maging cyberbacker or interested kang malaman yung mga available work from home job namin, marami kang tanong such as requirements, gusto mong ma-meet yung aming CEO and also our recruitment team, then guys, I suggest that you please join our Cyberbacker Career Night. Cyberbacker Career Night happens every week from Tuesdays and also Thursdays from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Manila time. Ayan. So guys, all you have to do po para to register dun sa aming career night is to just scroll down po sa baba, sa description box, and then nakalagay na po doon yung registration link. All you have to do is to fill that out, and I will be the one to send you your invitation link. Okay? A few hours before the event. So, a few hours guys, hindi yung kapag fill up nyo ay makaka-receive po kayo agad ng invitation. No. So, siguro po mga 2 to 1 hour before the event, ako po ang magsisend sa inyo mismo ng invitation for career night. Alright, ayan. So, there you go guys. Again, ayan, umpisahan na natin. Ano nga ba yung iniintay nyo? Yung mga available jobs na non-voice, na work from home, na full-time at sobrang stable na online jobs na opening sa aking division. Okay, so number 1 guys, naghahanap ako ng dalawang social media backer. So, ano nga ba yung social media backer, no? Social media backer, ito yung mga tao ko or someone on my team na nag-handle ng social media channel. So, if you're someone who, you know, has an experience handling a Facebook page, Instagram page, Twitter page, TikTok account, yung mga ganon, nagmamanage kayo ng business account, may it be just your past work experience or baka meron kayong sarili nyong personal na meron kayong accounts, ganyan, pasok na yun sa banga. And also, this guys, open siya sa mga non-experienced social media managers. Okay, kung kayo po ay wala pa talaga experience, it's fine because again, training is provided by yours truly at saka po yung mga directors sa team ko, we provide training for social media backers. Again, I am looking for 2 social media backers here in Cyberbacker. Right? Okay, next is graphic artist. Ayan, naghahanap po ako ng isang graphic artist. Again, this one is non-voice, full-time, and will report on a graveyard schedule. So, ano nga po ba yung graphic artist? Sa team ko, graphic artists are very crucial members of my team kasi sila po yung gumagawa ng mga nakikita nyong poster sa aming social media. They also help out on designing the website. Ayan. So, naghahanap po rin ako ng isa pa. Okay? And then, another is, I'm also looking for 1 video editor. Guys, ang tagal na nito. Wala pa rin pong nag-a-apply. Ayan, so, naghahanap po talaga ako ng video editor desperately, no? Kulang na kulang po kami sa video editor on my team. So, I guess, guys, if you're someone who loves to edit, kahit hindi ka po ganun ka-expert, as long as, you know, you are very trainable, again, some trainings are still provided here in Cyberbacker. Ayun, so guys, correction lang, for the graphic artist pala and also the video editor, you need to have portfolio ready. So kapag po nag-apply kayo, nag-go through kayo sa application process, make sure po na meron kayong ready portfolio na you can submit sa aming recruitment team para naman ma-submit nila sa akin at makita ko yun. Alright? Ayan, and then last but not the least is number 4. I am looking for a content writer slash blogger or slash PR article writer. Ayan. So, naghahanap ako ng writer, no, in general. If you're someone na, you know, you love to write, you love to create articles, you love to write blogs, you're into blogging, ayan, then guys, please apply. Ayan. So, for this naman, I just need, you know, your write-up samples. Kapag nag-apply kayo, make sure na meron po kayong mga sample ng mga articles na sinulat nyo. Okay? Ayan, so ano naman po yung mga requirements natin? As always, kahit po non-voice lahat ng nabanggit kong jobs, please make sure that you have a noise-canceling headset like this one. Ayan. So again, sa lahat ng videos ko, I always mention na I am using Logitech headset. Actually, ito noise reduction headset lang siya. Hindi siya noise cancelling. Kasi, again, yung anak ko, naririnig ba ako baka sa background? Ayan. So this one, I am using a noise reduction headset. Noise reduction lang siya. Hindi siya noise cancelling niya. Purely, and this is the Logitech. Yan. H340. So, again, kapag naghahanap kayo ng affordable but quality headset, you can check out Lazada and Shopee for Logitech. Again, guys, this video is not sponsored by Logitech. Sobrang fan lang talaga ako ng Logitech kasi nga quality and also sobrang cheap ng kanilang products. And this is very good na, lalo na sa mga beginners, no? So, paano naman kung wala po kayong noise cancelling headset but you want to proceed with your initial interview and also to apply? Of course, guys, you can apply. All you have to do is to get your earphones, regular earphones like this one. This is an old iPhone earphones that I use, and of course, it has a mic. So, kung meron po kayong ganito, guys, pwede nyo siyang gamitin during your initial interview. Again, kapag nag-apply po kayo sa aming website, that's www.cyberbacker.ph. Kapag fill out nyo po ng application form doon, I strongly suggest that you proceed right away to your interview. Kasi guys, kapag i-skip nyo pa yun, matagal pa po kayo mag-aantay for an invite para sa schedule ng inyong initial interview. Again, I have created already tips and tricks and guides for your initial and final interview, guys. So, please check out my YouTube channel para dun sa mga videos na yun, alright? Ayun ha, ang tip ko lang doon is proceed right away. You can go in at around 2 a.m. to 7 a.m. Manila time para naman hindi ganun kahaba. Again, it is a first come, first serve doon po sa aming Zoom link initial interview, okay? And guys, minsan, maigsi lang po talaga initial interview kasi chine-check lang po dun yung mga stuff na nilagay nyo dun sa aming application. Also, kung ano yung mga equipment na meron kayo. Alright? Ayan. So good luck sa mga mag-initial interview, okay? Ayun. So, another requirement na dapat meron kayo is, of course, your web camera. So, I am just using the internal web camera ng aking laptop. I'm using a 2012 MacBook Air. So, sobrang luma na niya, but it still work. If you're someone na gusto ng merong external camera for your PC or your laptop, I suggest, you just go out and check Lazada and Shopee kasi marami namang affordable doon na mga external camera, okay? Another is, of course, your internet. So, it should be at least 5 Mbps and above. Pwede naman yung mga mas mababa, pero syempre, mas prefer namin 5 Mbps and above. Yes, you can still apply. Kahit po meron kayo 3 Mbps and below, just make sure na mag-upgrade kayo kapag nakapasa na kayo here in Cyberbacker. Ayun lang, guys. That's it for us today. Please watch out for more videos this October, November, and December. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe. See you soon. Bye!